How's it going, guys? I hope you had a good week. It's been a hot one today. It's about 33 degrees here, which I think for you guys in the States, something like 85-ish. I don't know. I'm not from there. But I got this guy out, the good old Sunjoe, and I'm gonna do something with it that it's not advertised to do, but I think it can do it. Let me show you what I'm at. So I put down that cow poop, and this is what it does. It's normal. I wasn't shocked, but it clumps up. So my goal is I'm going to put that thing through the paces. Not easy on my machines. I think that they need to work. That's what they're built to do. So I'm going to try and break all this up into a finer granule so it's more topsoil like, and see if that machine can handle it for one. And I'm hoping that it works. I think it will. See how it goes. You ready, boy? And don't forget, always have a nice cold beer with you. That's what work's all about. Let's get at it. A little bit shaky, this is an iPhone. So, we'll see how this thing does. One pass, maybe two. Alright guys, so I wasn't sure if I wanted to show you this because I may have just blown up my Sunjoe, but that's not the case. This thing can take a beating. So I'm using it to break up all the cow poop that I lay down, and it clumps up. I'm talking big clumps, but I need that in a finer grain so it'll actually smooth out and hold moisture, the whole point of this. So seeing as how I wasn't sure, so I wasn't going to show you. I'm going to show you what this machine can do. But this thing does the job. And after it's done, I'm going to go through it a couple times. And I'm going to see if I broke any tines on it. Spring tines that come on the Sunjoe. They are replaceable, but I don't care if I break them. The other thing is, it also says do not exceed a 100-foot extension cord. I got 150 out here. I've said it before. Don't tell me what to do. See how it does. So it's time to rake this thing out after the Sunjoe's hit it one time, just to break up those clumps of cow poop. And then I'm going to go over it again with the Sunjoe. And I'm also going to tell you if I broke any spring tines on that little homeowner machine. I don't think I have. I guess you'll have to wait and see. Let's do it. Wow, it is hot out. But I'm going to show you how the Sunjoe did with busting up that cow poop. And it clumps pretty good. I'm sure a lot of you know this. But I mean, other than the odd clump, which is this guy. Yeah, that was poop in my hand. Is this. I don't know if you can see it or not. Sorry about my clumsiness. But it's pretty broken up. I'll try and get you a shot that's not facing the sun. I'm not sure if I can see this until later, but that's how it broke it up. Odd little clump, but most of it's actually busted up, and it was clumpy. So in my opinion, this Sunjoe, fantastic job on what I just put it through. It's not made for this. So let's just take a look at the bottom of it, see if there's any broken tines. So it's unplugged. All your safety nuts. All right, is there any broken tines? I don't know what the heck that is. Some broken tines though. All right, so there is not one broken spring tine on that Sunjoe, and it went over this thing three times, and it did what I wanted it to do. So like I said in a previous video, buy this thing. It can take a beating. It's on 150 feet of extension cord, which is not recommended, but it can take it. Trust me, let me test stuff out. I'll burn down my house, not yours. It's doing pretty damn good. I love that thing. I'm just gonna set my hoses back up, my above ground sprinkler system, water this thing because it's been a hot week / day. So it's hot out. So get one of these because you need it when you're doing stuff like this. But that Sunjoe is such an amazing machine. It can actually tear stuff up. It didn't break one spring tine, and it went strong. It broke up this cow poop. I'm gonna water it in. I might actually be ready to put some seed down this weekend. We'll have to see. What's up, guys? So I did have a shower after trying to mulch up that poop, and now I'm just watering it in, trying to give it a good soak. Getting hit by sprinklers right now, having a beer. But yeah, it broke it up good. That machine is actually impressive. You can't even dispute it. It's just fucking a beautiful machine. I didn't break one spring tine. And I ran it at the deepest setting because Canadian, I guess. But yeah, so just soaking in the cow manure. Hopefully we get to some seeding this weekend. If I can, I'm not going to rush it. But I do have some other things to show you.